Yeah. Alright, these are the mean, mode and median. They're all three ways of calculating an averages. Alright, so we got the mean of these 10 numbers. So that means we add them up and divide by 10. We got the mean to be 5. How do you get the median of these numbers? Well, the first thing we have to do is what? Put them in order. Okay, so we'll put them in order and I'll put a red mark underneath them when we've used the number. So first smallest number is 1. Next?
2, 3,
3.
5, 6, 7,
3, 7.
1, 8.
Alright, so I've used all my numbers. So what I do next is, just watch this. What I do next, let's get another ruler. Is I start from the outside and I move in. So you just keep an eye on it, Oshin. Watch. So I move in from the side. You looking up? So I move in. Alright, if I end up with one number in the middle, let's say if I've 11 numbers or 13 numbers or not numbers, then the answer is 5. But what happened? I ended up with
5.5.
yeah, 2 numbers in the middle, 5 and 6. So in that case, I add 5 and 6 and divide by 2 and I get 5.5. So I added 5 and 6 and I divide by 2, got 5.5. So that's the median. And how do I get the mode?
Most common.
Most common. Most common number
7.
is 7. Alright, so the mode of those numbers was 7. Okay. Will we do another example? So I'll pick fewer numbers, we'll do the example, and then I'll give you one question to do. Alright, just pay attention. Right, so I'm only going to pick 5 numbers out of this. So I'm going to pick a 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now watch this. Looking up, Samir. Now, which one of these methods is the best way of getting the average here? If the numbers are consecutive, that means if they're in order, it's very easy to find the mean. If they're consecutive, all you have to do is the middle number. The middle number is the mean. Alright, so we'll try it. Mean 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Add them up, what do you get? Stop. You get 20. And we need to divide by 5. It's 5 numbers. 20 divided by 5.
4.
That is 4. Oh, I said mean, if the numbers are consecutive, then it's easy to calculate the average. It's the one in the middle. The median. Are the numbers already in order?
Yeah.
Alright, so put the numbers in order. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What's the middle number? Middle number is 4. So the median is 4. Is it possible to get the mode of those numbers?
They're all the same.
They're all as common as each other. So I can't get the mode in this case. Yeah. Right. One more example. Now this is a question of when is the mean and the median or the median the best method to use. Right, so if I put in a number, what is the average of these 4 numbers? 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, what happens if I put in 100? So average means, so basically most of the numbers are close enough to 4, aren't they?
Yeah.
4 is the middle number. But what happens when I add in 100? What's that going to do to my average?
It hires
It raises my average.
5.
All right. So is that always a good idea? If one, this is called a kind of like a freak number. If one freak number is thrown into the melting pot, it changes the average. Is that fair? Is that fair? Not really. No. Right. So before you go, just watch.
114.
Divided by 5. 114 divided by 5. Just pay attention. 22.8. Alright. Shh. Is that a fair average?
No.
Because most of the numbers are around 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stop moving. The average tells me where most of the numbers lie. The median. Put them in correct order. If I use the median to get the average, the average still 4. Is that a fair average?
Yeah.
That's a more fair average, isn't it? This 100 is really messed things up, hasn't it? Is there a mode?
No.
It's not.
So would you go with mean, sir?